Hello,
Hi,
I'm Helen.
I'm Simon.
And I'm Jane.
Hi, Jane.
Come in and meet the others.
Okay.
This is Matt.
Hi, I'm Simon. Hello.
And I'm David.
Hi.
Would you like some tea or coffee?
Oh, yes, coffee, please.
Matt, can you?
What? Oh, yeah. Sure.
Milk, no sugar?
Right.
Let me give you a hand.
Have a seat.
Thanks.
So where are you from, Simon?
Newcastle.
David's from Manchester.
Oh.
I'm from London.
I'm from Brighton.
And Matt comes from Birmingham.
What do you do?
I'm a marketing assistant for McDougall's, the publishing company.
I'm a drama teacher.
David's a lawyer.
And Matt runs a computer game shop.
What about you?
I'm a journalist.
Really? Where do you work?
I work in London for a sports magazine. Do you know Workout?
Know it. I buy it.
Really?
Sometimes.
Hate being late for films.
Biscuits.
No.
I go to the office most days, but on Wednesdays and Fridays I work from home.
Here's your coffee.
Oh, thank you.
The film starts at 7:30.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't
Oh,
realise...
don't worry. The cinema's only 10 minutes away.
Come on, Matt. Let's wait in the car. Bye.
Bye.
Hi. Nice to meet you.